guys, welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. Alright, so today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the Ciara Get Up dance, specifically the part where she sings, "You try it, admit it, but you just can't fight the feeling inside," and so on. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Melanie, for being the first one to request it. Now, before I start, just remember that you can always change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. And I also have to say that the dance is pretty fast, well, because the song is fast. So what you could do is just make the movement smaller so you don't have to exaggerate like I am, right? You can just keep it small, keep it in here. You can even do a T-Rex thing. You try, admit it. Alright, no more talking, let's just jump right into it. The first part I'm going to show you is the "you try it, admit it, but you just can't fight." Alright, so let me break it down for you. The first part, you want to take your left arm, well, you take both your arms up, and then you want to say left arm swings around and in. And here you want to say jump, throw your arms up. Yeah, so let's just do that part again. So you want to say prep, left, throw, out, and jump up. Now that part is on "you tryin', click." From click, she's singing admit it, click again. So from here, you want to say prep by taking your left down. Now we're just gonna do the arms. They're gonna swing like opposite. Yeah, so left goes up, right goes down. Whoop. Opposite, and then one last time here. So let me just repeat that again. We just did jump up here. Now, the prep, take the left down, and now you want to say opposite. 1, 2, 3. Let's just try that once again with the arms. So, prepping by taking the left down, then we want to say 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you can look on the last one to your left. Now we want to do the opposite, so to the other side. We just want to say switch, 2, 3. Yeah, so let's just try that. From here we want to say prep, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Let's try that. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go prep, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Now the arms part is where she sings admit it, but you just can't fight. So let me just do that part again, a bit slower, where I sing 5, 6, 7, 8. Admit it, but you just can't fight. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go admit it, but you just can't fight. Alright, one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Admit it, but you just can't fight. So now I'm gonna explain the legs. So if you do it right, it's gonna look like this. Ta 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 ta. And don't worry, I'll also show you an easier version if you're not able to pull this off. Okay, so the leg goes prep, jump, jump, tap, jump, jump, tap. Now let me explain. So left is gonna say prep by taking it back, and then you wanna say jump on your right, kicking your left up. Whoop, let's just try that. So we're gonna say prep, jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, prep, jump. Now we wanna say switch, so jumping on our left, kicking right. So we went from here to here. Whoa! Now, last step is taking your right leg behind your left and say tap. Yeah, so let me go back to the beginning here. Prep with the left, jump, kick. Now switch and tap. Let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Prep, jump, kick, switch, back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Prep, jump, kick, switch, back. Now from here you want to do it to the opposite side. You want to say jump on your left, kicking your right out. So you want to say here. Yeah, so I went from here to here. Now you want to say switch, switch, and then left go behind your right. Yeah? So, let me do the full thing. I want to say prep, left, jump kick, switch, behind. Now jump on left, keep your right out, switch, left behind your right. So when you do it fast, it should look like this. Whoop, tap, 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 and tap, tap, tap. Alright, now the tricky part is to combine it with the arms. So we are here with the arms, and now you want to say prep, taking your left down, bringing your left leg back, and then you want to say every time you jump, switch, switch, switch. So every time you switch, do something with your legs, you want to do the switching up here. Yeah? So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, prep, jump, jump, back, and then opposite side, jump, jump, back. Let's just try it one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, prep, jump, jump, back, jump, jump, back. Okay, now the easy version, you can actually just stay on the spot if you're that lazy, or you can take a step to the side. So you could say from here, you want to say prep, step and in, step and in. Yeah, so basically just say step to your left, step to your right. So let's just try that again. So prep, step to the left, step to the right. Let's just try that one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, prep. Step to the left, step to the right. Alright, so let me just do a quick recap from the tip to top. So it's you try and click, admit it, click, but you just can't fight. From here, I'm just gonna show you the next part. The feeling inside, you know it, click. Alright, so let me break it down for you. So right after can fight here, you want to take a step to the front with your left. Whoop, and then your arms are gonna say close, open, close, open. You could even do it like that, or you could do it down here, move it up, yeah? Either way, just go close, open, close, open. From here, your arms wanna go up to your head, here behind your head, and down. Or you can do a small one and just go boom. But let's go back from here. 5, take a step to the front with your left and say cross here, close, and then you want to say open, close, open, and then up to your head. You could even take a step to the front. Yeah, so when you do boom, take a step to the front. So once again from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, step, close, open, close, open to the front. Now you can also add this thing with your legs, so you open, close, close. So let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go open, close to the front. And this is the part where she sings, but you just can't fight the feeling inside. Yeah, let's just go again with the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. The feeling inside. Okay, let's just add the last part. So we just did here, open, close, open to the front. Now we want to say step here, and then you want to take a step to your left with your left. So you want to say left, and then you want to go to the other side, right. Yeah, so that's just the legs. Let's see, we went from here. So you just want to end this by saying stop here, and then you want to say step left, right. Yeah, you want to go to this side, that side. Now the arms are saying pull down. Yeah, so while you're moving from side to side, you want to say pull down. Let's just do that. So we're going to stay here in the spot, and we're going to go pull down. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go pull down. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, pull down. Alright, so a bit about the timing here. Whoop. So that was, but you just can't fight the feeling inside. Click, you know it. Click. Let's just do that again. To the music. But you just can't fight the feeling inside. Click, you know it. Click. Alright, so now I want to do a quick recap of the whole thing. Now, if you feel like moving on already, I'll put a timestamp for you for the next part, part 3. For those of you who wants to practice, let's practice. Alright, so let me just do a quick recap here. From the tip to top is you try and click, admit it, click, but you just can't fight the feeling inside. Click, you know it, click. Alright, so let's practice that part a bit slower. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. You try and click, admit it, click, but you just can't fight the feeling inside. Click, you know it, click. Now a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. You try it, click, admit it, click, but you just can't fight the feeling inside. Click, you know it, click. Alright, moving on to part 3, which is the last part, and that is where she sings. And I can see it in your eyes. You want me smooth as a mother. Alright, so let me break it down for you right after this part. You want to go to your left side, you want to say push to the left. Yeah, so you're basically just taking a step to the left here. Pushing your arms to the right. And then you want to go down here in level. And then you want to say, yeah, so I'm just going to explain the hip movement here. Whoop, whoop. So, what you need to do is bring your knees in and flick your heel out like that. But not only that, because this looks boring, right? What you want to do is also use your hips here. So you want to say up. Yeah, so you're throwing your butt up here. Whoop, back, up, back. Yeah, so it's a combination. Alright, so it's from here. You want to do 2 of those. And you want to say your right arm is going to say down here and up before you go up to your head again. So you know this part, right? We're just repeating that again. So you can either go just 2 down here, or you can go 1 here, and then 1. I actually think it's just better just to stick it down here. Yeah? So let's just go from here. From here you want to say to the left, and then you want to go a bit down. And then you want to say hip, hip to the front. Yeah, so you basically just say, you're going to step to the front with your right. And then you want to turn all the way down here, because you want to do it again to the other side. Yeah, let's just rewind a bit. So whoop, down, hip, hip, step to the front with the right, and then left comes to the front here. Then you want to say hip again. Now it's the other side. Whoop. And you can even do a switch with your arms, or you can just do whoop, whatever you want. So let's go back from here. The whole new part. It's to the side, down, hip, hip, to the front, down, and then hip. You know what? Let's just take the last part as well. From here, very simple, you just go step to the front on your left, back on your right. You can even do a whoa, whoa with your head, whatever you want. Alright, new part from here, 7, 8. We go slide to the left, down, hip, hip, front, down, hip, and front, and back. Okay, now let me explain the timing. The timing is just can't fight the feeling inside. You know it. Stop here, and I can see it in your eyes. Click, you want me. Click. Yeah. So let me just go back here, and I can see it in your eyes. Click, you want me. Click. From here, smooth as you're smooth as a mother. Yeah, that's pretty simple. You're smooth as a mother. Alright, let's just try the new parts to the music. So we're gonna go 7, 8, and I can see. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and I can see it in your eyes. Click, you want me. Click, you're smooth as a mother. Click. Alright, let's try one last time. So from you know it, click. So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and I can see it. 5, 6, 7, 8, and I can see it in your eyes. Click, you want me. Click, you're smooth as a mother. Alright guys, let's take the whole thing from the tip top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. Okay, so quick recap is you try and click, admit it, but you just can't fight the feeling inside. Click, you know it. Click, I can see it in your eyes. Click, you want me. Click, smooth as a mother. Alright, let's try that a bit slower. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. You try and click, admit it, click, but you just can't fight the feeling inside. Click, you know, click, I can see it in your eyes. Click, you want me. Click, smooth as a mother. Click. Alright, now let's take it up a notch. So 5, 6, 7, 8, you try and click, admit it, click, but you just can't fight the feeling. I click, you know it, click, I can see it in your eyes. Click, you want me. Click, smooth as a mother. Click. Alright guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again and then speed up, speed up, speed up until you can do it fast. So that is it for this dance tutorial of how to do the Ciara Get Up dance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.